How to cook bacon. First, add 1 tablespoon of butter into a skillet on medium heat on your stove. Then add bacon in slices or in small pieces. Then add spices like cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, or your favorite spices and seasonings. Cook your bacon on one side until it begins to brown. Doesn't that look delicious? Next, flip your bacon over and cook it on the other side until your bacon is brown and lightly crispy. Pour your bacon on top of paper towels to absorb the grease. Or add the bacon and its grease into a dish like macaroni and cheese for extra flavor, barbecue, seafood, chicken, or several other dishes like pecan pralines. Enjoy your bacon and have a flavorful bacon day. Bye!